بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم تسليما. صباح الخير أعزائي التلاميذ. اليوم سنقدم الإجابة النموذجية للنشاط الذي قمنا بوضعه في هذه المجموعة ثانوية محمد بن الخليفة الدعم البيداغوجي. بادئا ببدء كما تلاحظون، يعني التفاعلات كانت غير كثيرة على كل حال، وذلك لأن هذا هو المنشور. التفاعلات لم تكن كثيرة، يعني 3 أو 4 تلاميذ تفاعلوا مع هذا المنشور. قدموا إجابات، يعني الإجابة كانت موفقة نوعا ما. إجابة هذه التلميذة كانت الإجابة صحيحة، يعني الله يعني صحيحة correct. قبلها كانت تلميذة سكينة، يعني الاسم مستعار سكينة، إجابتها ثاني كانت موفقة نوعا ما. تلميذة golden girl تسأل أن نعطيها نموذج الوضعيات الإدماجية. نحن معكم إن شاء الله في هذا الفضاء، ونحاول تقديم المساعدة على قدر الإمكان. نذهب مباشرة إلى الإجابة النموذجية. هذا هو الأكتيفيتي. Consider the sentences A, C below and do the activities that follow. Copies of brands are cheap, but some consumers don't hesitate to buy them. B, counterfeits are of so bad quality that it's a waste of money to buy them. Counterfeiting is such dangerous that we must all fight it. The activities, the first question or the first activity, find out the mistakes, then correct them. Find out the mistakes, then correct them. The sentences AC contains mistakes. Rewrite the sentences using different link words. In which unit have you studied this lesson? Let's start with the first question. Okay, finding the mistakes and correcting them. From the second question, you can understand that I am asking about link words. The first sentence, the mistake in the first sentence is that the first sentence doesn't have so here is missing in the first sentence. So to correct sentence number 1, copies of brands are so cheap that some consumers don't hesitate to buy them. As you know the rule, cheap is adjective. When we have adjective in the cause statement, we connect the cause with the result by using so that. In case we have a noun phrase, bad adjective and the quality noun. So here the head word in this phrase is noun. Head quality. In the cause sentence or in the cause clause, we connect the cause with its result by using such that. Counterfeiters are of such bad quality that it's a waste of money to buy them. Also here preposition. When you find a preposition, use such that. Sentence C. Counterfeiting is so dangerous that we must all fight it. It is the same case as the sentence number 1. Here we have adjective in the cause clause, in the cause statement. So the part which is highlighted with the green is cause, and the part which is highlighted with yellow is the result. Cause and result. Second, let's move to the second question. Rewriting the sentences using different link words. Here we must know the relationship between the complex sentence between the relationship of the clauses of the complex sentence. I mean by clauses here the green and yellow. What is the relationship between them? As I said now, the relationship between the first part and the second part is cause and result. Cause and result relationship. Let's revise together the chart of cause result connectors. So let's revise the connectors of the cause and result. We can connect the cause. We can connect the cause and result by using cause connectors or by using result connectors. You have two options here. The option one, we have so that, such that, because, since, as. All these connectors are used to connect the cause and result and are used in the cause part. If you want to connect cause and result by using result connectors, you can use these connectors as a result, as a consequence, consequently, so, and we have other connectors, of course. Use them in the result part, and here you are the answer. The first one, we have the option number one. We can replace so that or such that by using another cause connector here, because, since, as. Because, since, or as. So because copies of brands are cheap, comma, some consumers don't hesitate to buy them. Or I can replace so that such that with a result connector, and that's what I prefer. If you have cause connector, replace it with the result connector. Okay, copies of brands are cheap, full stop. As a result, comma, some consumers don't hesitate to buy them. Same thing in the second complex sentence. Counterfeits are of bad quality, so it's a waste of money to buy them. Counterfeiting is dangerous. Consequently, we must all fight them. This is the answer of second activity. Third activity, it is about the unit. In which unit have you studied this lesson? I want to remind you about the unit. You must connect lessons with its units. Unit number 2, we studied this lesson in unit number 2, ethics in business, and here you have the rules. So that, such that are used to connect a cause sentence with its result sentence. Here you have the rule number 1, subject verb, usually so, go after the verb, yes, go after the verb, and between so and that you find adjective or adverb or quantifier. Yes, remember quantifiers, meaning much, yes, a little, a few here. Also, if you find a quantifier, use so that plus sentence. Example, the road surface became so hot that it melted. Second rule, subject verb. Sometimes you find after the verb preposition in, on, at, etc. Use such noun phrase that. If there is a noun phrase, use such that. It was such nice weather that we decided to go for a walk. Here it is just a note. So that, such that can be replaced with the following linked words. So, as a result, as a consequence, or consequently. Result connectors. It was nice weather, so we decided to go for a walk. That's all today. Thank you very much. I wish you good luck. أتمنى لكم التوفيق والنجاح للجميع. شكرا.